Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to make a 3D text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make a 3D text box in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then we can see here many options. We find and click the text box option. Then select our text box. Now we can see here we insert a text box very easily. Now I click the text box and go to the format menu. Then click shape effect. Then choose preset and make 3D. Now I select the preset 12. Then change the shape fill color. Click the shape fill drop down menu and choose any color. Now I select the color and change the shape outline color. Then click the text and write anything in this text box shapes. Then select this all text and change the text color. Go to the home menu, then click font color option, then choose white and we click other side. Now we can see here we make a 3D text box in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.